Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change any page's content in Kickstarter Freelancer Marketplace script. So let's go to the admin panel. Login. Once you come to the admin panel, you will see a interface like this. Now scroll in sidebar, go to pages menu, click on all pages. Now you will see a badge is home page if any pages is selected as home page. Currently this page is selected as a home page. So to edit this page content, we have to click on select action, open with page builder. Once you click on page builder, you will see a interface like this where you will see two options. One is all the page builder add-on. Another one is page builder content area. You can drag any section here and then click on this icon, add your content and click on save. This will be added in the front end. Let me close this one. In this way you can delete any existing section as well. So in our case, we will edit this content. In our case, we will change this header title from the admin panel page builder. So this is the header part. This is the header part. To get the settings, we need to click on this down arrow. Here you can see the content is already reserved. Here you can see the content we want to change. Let's change this word to something else. So here it written in work from anywhere, get freedom you deserve. So let's change this deserve word to another thing, get freedom as you wish. Now scroll down, click on the save changes button. Data is saved. Get back to the home page, reload the page. As you see, the content is changed. So you can change all the content from this page builder. You can also add any section into it. If you want to change location of any of the sections, you can just simply drag it to the anywhere you want. It will change the location. Currently you see the brand after newsletter. Okay, let's go to website, scroll down. Currently the brand is after the newsletter. If we refresh the page, we will see the changes here. As you can see, now the brand logos are above the newsletter. So this is actually how you can change the location using the drag and drop systems of any section of the page. Similarly, you can add any other content into it to show in the home page. The process is same for all other pages as well. I hope now you understand how you can change content of any pages in Xilancer Marketplace Platform. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.